guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So I'm so excited for this video. I was super excited to film it because if you guys watched my haul, if you haven't, I'll go ahead and link it down below, and I'll also insert a little link up here. But basically, I kind of went ham when I went to Ulta and shopped for the 21 Days of Beauty, and I kind of bought a ton of stuff, which was an accumulation of the past like month and a half. I got to play with a ton of new makeup, which I, by the way, loved. And yeah, I created this really pretty look using the Subculture palette. I am obsessed. I tried some new lashes and I love the way that they look. But yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this look, then you should totally keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I mean, you're already on the video, might as well, right? And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I post videos. I have a lot of exciting and fun videos coming up. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all the support that you guys have been giving me on my channel, and I look forward to creating more content. Alright, let's get right into the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I don't know if you can see on camera how glowy it kind of makes your skin look, like right here. But when I'm looking in the mirror, like my skin looks really dewy after using this primer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try out the MAC Strobe Cream, and this is in Pink Light. So just by using those two products, like my skin looks very glowy. Which I really like. I didn't get any new concealer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline Age Rewind. This is obviously not a first impression because I'm almost out of it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on real quick. I haven't used this concealer in such a long time. And then I'm going in with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Excited to try this because I have been hearing such good things about this, and I bought it about a month ago or so, and I have not used it yet because I was waiting to film this video. But this is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm hopefully in the shade 112 Natural Ivory. Now I'm going to go ahead and bake my face using the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm so happy I finally decided to get this, so I'm going to go ahead and test it out. Alright, so while I'm baking, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. I'm going to be trying out the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil, and I'm in the shade Soft Brown. This eyebrow pencil is super easy to use. Maybe because it's super pigmented or because the tip is super fine, I don't know, somehow I find this really easy to use. Okay, I really like the Anastasia pencil. Definitely worth the money. And then final thing I'm going to do before I wipe off this bake is I'm going to try the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. To quickly wipe off this bake, and I'm just using my Luxie 514 brush. Alright, for the eyeshadow, today I'm going to be trying the Subculture palette. I have not yet tried this palette, but I'm really excited to. There are some really pretty colors in this palette, so I'm just gonna go ahead and see what happens. These are just some of the swatches. Like, as you can see, this palette is pretty pigmented. I'm gonna go ahead and take New Wave. Okay, so now that I have New Wave in the transition, I'm going to pick up the shade Destiny, which is like this green, like olive green shade. going to cut the crease halfway with some concealer. Okay, so now that I got my crease, I'm going to go ahead and pick up the shade Electric, which is this really pretty shimmery like green or like lime colored one, and I'm going to place that on the inner half of my eyelid. And now using my same Morphe brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Axis, which is this one, and I'm going to put that on the outer half. Just to add a little bit more dimension to the outer corner, I'm going to go in with the shade Fudge, which is this brown color, and just pop it right in the outer corner. Actually, no, I'm gonna use the shade Rowdy. I changed my mind. And then once again, I'm picking up the shade Electric, which is the lime green, and I'm going over the areas where I placed it at first just to make it pop a little more. Okay, so that is it for the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye, and I'll be right back. So now that I finished both eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and add some eyeliner. I'm using the NYX Final Liquid Eyeliner. Alright, so I just finished applying my eyeliner. So I'm going to be prepping my lashes for falsies using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have not tried this yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And then once I'm done with mascara, I'm going to be using the Eylure Vegas Nay Bronze Beauty eyelashes. I've never tried these, so I'm excited to try them. And to apply them, I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty Artificial Lash Placement Tool. I've never tried this either. It had really good reviews, and apparently it's better than using tweezers, which is what I use now. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these as well. And I'm going to be trying for the first time ever the Brush On Clear Duo Glue. I use the Brush On Black, which I prefer over the clear tube, because I hate the way the clear tube smells and I feel like it comes out all at once. But I've never tried the Brush On Clear, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, after applying this to my eyelashes like for 5 seconds, I'm not really a fan of it. Like, I don't understand why it's so like expensive. Literally the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, which I have, I prefer it over this, just because I feel like this isn't doing anything for my eyelashes. Like, I'm brushing it through and I feel like it's not doing anything. I feel like I have chode lashes after using this, but it's okay because we're gonna throw on some falsies to fix it. Alright, so I was finally able to put on both lashes. I really like the way the lashes look. I really like this tool thing. It's very easy to plop your lashes on your eyeballs with this, like super easy. Not really a fan about the glue. I didn't think I would like the clear. I prefer the black one, but it's okay. Now we're gonna continue with the eyes. I'm gonna smoke out the lower lash line really quick. I'm gonna be taking the shade Access on a smudger brush, and I'm going to smudge that on my lower lash line very lightly. Alright, so now that I've smudged out the lower lash line, I'm going to pick up the shade Electric, which is the lime shade that we put on the lid. And I'm going to place that on the inner corner and on my brow bone. Now I'm just going to be taking the Better Than Sex mascara and putting this on my lower lashes. And then I'm going to take a black pencil eyeliner and line my tight line and my waterline. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish up the face makeup. For contour, I'm going to be using my Smashbox 3-Step Contour Palette, and I'm going to be using the Cool Tone shade on a big fluffy brush. Next for blush, I'm going to be trying out the Clean Color Baked blush, and this is in the shade Mauve. I'm going to be trying both of the highlighters that I got in my haul. I'm going to be trying the Makeup Revolution Champagne Liquid Highlighter below, like as a base. And then I'm going to be using the Kylie Jenner Loose Powder Highlight in the shade Wisteria. Wow. As I mentioned in my haul video, when I touched the Kylie highlighter, it felt very chunky and like it felt like glitter. So let's see. Wow, that's so blinding. Do you see that? It's literally so blinding. Wow. This is a very pretty color. And it's super duper blinding. Now to complete the makeup, I am going to be using my Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner and my Kylie Jenner Dirty Peach matte liquid lipstick. I haven't tried this color yet. I'm hoping it's not like orange on me because, as I have mentioned it before, finding the perfect nude is so hard for me, and every single nude shade that I try kind of turns orange once it dries down on my lips, which is why the Tarte lip paint that I use is my all-time favorite nude. So let's see. It looks orange in the tube, so I'm hoping it's not actually orange. Yeah, this looks orange on me. Does not look nude on me at all. It looks orange, but I don't know. I think it's okay. It's kind of throwing me off. Like, it's kind of throwing off the makeup look, so I think I'm going to tone it down a little bit with a lighter lip. So that lipstick did not work for me, so I wiped it off. I'm just going to go in with my Tarte lip paint in the shade Exposed. Don't get me wrong, I do really like that lipstick. I just don't think that was the right color for this look. And I kind of had a feeling that it was going to turn out orange as opposed to nude on me. So we're just going to use a nude look. Alright, this color looks a lot better. If you guys struggle with finding the perfect nude lipstick because it turns orange just like I do, I highly, highly, highly recommend the Tarte lip paint in the shade Exposed. Like, it is the perfect nude. It literally blends into my lips. Now to finish off the look, I'm just going to use the MAC Prep and Prime, the original. I use the lavender to set my face, but I've never tried the original, so we'll see. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this first impressions video, and hopefully you guys go ahead and try some of this stuff out. I highly, highly, highly recommend the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I highly recommend the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I highly recommend, what else do I highly recommend? The Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlighter. Also highly recommend the Brow Wiz by Anastasia. So if you're going to try anything out of the stuff that I tried, it would be these 4 products that I recommend to you. I really love the way that these worked on me, and they smelled good. These 2 at least smelled really good, so highly recommend it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!